This is a simple way of placing a design on a t-shirt that you can try. First, insert t-shirt image. If you don't have one yet, you can download it via Freepik or other websites. Position the design on the t-shirt. Change transparency design to difference. Finished. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.